with the new years comes new chapters, new experiences, and fresh perspectives. New challenges to face and goals that we want to achieve. So my life over the past several months has been a marathon. And not in a bad way, but it was definitely a lot at once. It revealed to me how important it is to have a workflow and system in place to be able to take on those busy times and not get backlogged, which is what happens. Definitely a chapter full of opportunities, but I definitely have some key elements that I'd like to focus in on and improve on. And that's a health routine, downtime, a balance of work and social life, better workflow management, and let's go ahead and add the will to say no as a cherry on top. I've just been used to winging it and carving my own path for so long that sometimes the lines get blurred in living spontaneously and having your business and life systems down. So definitely working on that balance this year. A lot of it comes down to simplifying and realizing that I'm one person and prioritizing what truly sparks my creativity. So this first chapter of the year so far has been dedicated to just that. You know, I've been taking some time to refresh my branding, my portfolio, and exploring how I can level up my life to support leveling up my business. Which brings me here to the beautiful landscape of Arizona. We have found some space to reflect. We're going on day 6, I think. We're already staying put longer than we've done in the past. But yeah, it's been really nice just to get out of the city again and just to be out here in nature where there is very little distraction. And yeah, it's been a good space for me to, reflect, create, and get organized for this year to come. But it's good to be back. I've definitely missed putting out videos on this channel. It's such an important outlet for me to show my life and share my story, in addition to telling the stories of my clients and people around me and making videos for them. Yeah, so I ended up having such a rush of client work, business opportunities that came up, and creating on this channel, it just slipped away. And then once you get out of the habit of filming yourself, for me anyway, it doesn't feel as easy as just picking the camera right back up and doing it. Even though it is, just thoughts of perfectionism come up, and my solution was just to take time off and put energy towards, planting seeds for this year, which I definitely did over the last few months. When it comes to burnout, I was definitely feeling it towards the end of the year. So much so that I was searching for land and doing this thing where I'm do I rent short term? Do I do this? It costs so much more than the life I live now. But I was definitely feeling the van life burnout. Basically, I just had to take some time and really kind of decide, is this what I want to do? Is this what I want to do? And sometimes you just need that fresh perspective because it's just a lot sometimes, and it's not a walk in the park every day. I really want to continue, but more so short term and not full-time van life that I've been doing for about 5-6 years now. I want to show you what that looks like, what that process is going to be of still working and traveling remotely, maybe having some sort of home base to go back to, and I don't know what that looks like yet either, but I'm excited to explore what that looks like and just continue my nomadic adventures, but maybe on a little more of a part-time basis. It's all in order to optimize my brand and my productivity and the work that I put out there, including these vlogs. So I'm definitely like embracing the van studio more than I was a couple months ago. I was like, I'm ready to move out of the van. So, but I think it goes in waves, it goes in stages, and I know other van lifers definitely feel the same way, especially long-term people that have been doing it for a while. We just go through these waves of like, I want land, I want a place to live, I want a place to call home for a longer period of time than days. Burnout is a real thing. It hit me real hard this last year because I was just feeling so lost for a while there and not sure like what I wanted to do next or where I wanted to be. My advice is just, you really have to feel those things and ride through it. They come up for a reason, and so don't fight them, listen to them. I was definitely needing a break from everything, and it allows me to kind of see things a little more in a fresh perspective now. That time off, it allowed me to step back and realize what I needed to change and what I needed to work on. So that's where I've been. So I'm balancing like travel and work and filming and wanting to have some sort of like bigger space that I can create. I definitely can do a lot with the van, but just having a little more space to create and improve my filmmaking with lighting and just having room to play and create. And all right, and on that note, we're gonna go inside, make some brunch, hop into a work session, and enjoy our last day out here at this spot. All right, guys, well, Arizona, look at this sunset. I mean, we've been here for a week and this one tops it. That's gonna do it for this video. I just can't think of a better ending for our first video of the year. I hope this gives you an idea of why we do this. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around, and the adventures continue. So until next time, hit that subscribe button for more travel and lifestyle videos from me and Sammy, and we shall see you in the next one.